In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule focus time in Microsoft Outlook and Google Calendar. We all know how important it is to protect our time for deep work and concentration, especially amidst the distractions of daily emails and meetings. Let's walk through how to manage this using two of the most popular calendar tools available. We'll start with Microsoft Outlook. First, open Outlook and navigate to your calendar. You'll see your current schedule, and it's from here that you can start to create a dedicated slot for solo work. Click on the time slot where you want to block off focus time, or if you prefer, click and drag your mouse to select a certain amount of time. This will allow you to map out exactly how long you need for focused work. Once you've selected your time, you need to create a new event. In the event window that pops up, make sure to label this time slot as focus time. This is a simple but effective way to signal what this period is dedicated to. Then, to make sure others know you're busy, set the show as field to either busy or out of office. This way, anyone looking at your calendar will know you're not available during this period. And that's it for Outlook. Now let's move to Google Calendar. To get started with Google Calendar, open it on your desktop. Begin by clicking on the specific day and time you want to allocate for focus time. After you click, an event creation pop-up will appear. Here, you'll want to select focus time as the event type. This feature is incredibly useful, as it helps you structure your day with intention. Next, adjust the start and end times to fit the duration you need for focused work. Keep in mind that this is your special time to get things done, so choose durations that capture a balance between productivity and stamina. There are also preferences you can configure. For instance, you can have the calendar automatically decline requests for meetings during this time, keeping interruptions at bay. Or if you want to ensure you don't miss important updates, you can deselect Do Not Disturb to still receive chat notifications. Once you're satisfied with all the settings, click Save to lock in this crucial focus time. If you need to make any later adjustments or if plans change, you can easily click on the focus time event, which will be marked with a distinctive headphone icon, and choose to edit or delete it as necessary. And there you have it, a straightforward way to claim focus time in both Microsoft Outlook and Google Calendar. By following these steps, you can make sure your calendar reflects the time you need for concentration and productivity. Thanks for tuning in, and happy scheduling!